What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to use the Cypress hair removal oil for natural hair removal and how to use it properly. In this video I will show you the steps and the methods that you can apply in your daily life. For that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, using Cypress essential oil for hair removal in a natural method that can be done in a few simple steps. Here are a concise guide on how to do it effectively. So dilute with a carrier oil. Mix 3 to 5 drops of cypress oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba to avoid skin irritation. Apply to targeted areas. Rub the diluted oil onto the areas where you want to inhibit hair growth to after shaving, waxing for skin soothing benefits. Repeat regularly for best results. Apply the mixtures 2-3 times a day over several of weeks. Cypress oil astringent Cypress oil astringent properties can help slow hair regrowth and improve skin tone, but it is not a standalone hair removal solution. Combining it with other essential oils like tea tree or lavender may increase effectiveness. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.